Welcome to the latest edition of Gene and Cell Therapy Updates, covering breakthroughs in the past 2 weeks, brought to you by LucidQuest. Roche plans a new global placebo-controlled Phase 3 study of Elevidys, developed with Sarepta Therapeutics, after EMA reviewers previously issued a negative opinion. The study will enroll about 100 ambulatory boys with Duchenne muscular dystrophy and use time to rise from floor over 72 weeks as the primary endpoint. The results may support a potential EU resubmission and could influence prescriber choice and payer reviews, pending full data. Medera received FDA Fast Track designation for AAV-Circa2A, an investigational gene therapy for Duchenne muscular dystrophy-associated cardiomyopathy. The therapy, developed by Medera and Sartorius, is being evaluated in the first-in-human MUSIC-DMD trial and uses targeted intracoronary delivery to increase Circa2A expression. The designation may support expanded screening, initiation, and follow-up at scale. Kyverna Therapeutics reported positive registrational data for miv-cel, also known as mivocaptogene autolysel, or KYV-101, in stiff person syndrome. In the single-arm KYSA-8 Phase 2 trial of 26 patients, miv-cel met the primary and secondary endpoints at 16 weeks, with statistically significant improvements in mobility and disability. These data may influence prescriber choice and payer reviews, pending full results. Eli Lilly agreed to acquire Kelonia Therapeutics for up to $7.0 billion, including $3.25 billion upfront, with closing expected in the second half of 2026. Kelonia's IGPS platform uses engineered lentiviral particles to generate CAR T cells inside the body. The acquisition adds in vivo gene delivery capabilities and signals continued pipeline investment and modality expansion. Intellia Therapeutics initiated a rolling FDA BLA submission for lonvo-z, formerly NTLA-2002, in hereditary angioedema. Lonvo-z is an in vivo CRISPR candidate designed to inactivate KLKB1. Intellia expects to complete the filing in the second half of 2026, and the program may influence prescriber choice and payer reviews, pending full data. Regeneron received FDA approval for Otarmeni, formerly DB-OTO, for otoferlin-driven congenital hearing loss. Otarmeni delivers a functional otoferlin gene, and the source reports it is the first gene therapy approved for this rare genetic form of hearing loss. The approval may influence prescriber choice and payer reviews, pending full data. Apertura Gene Therapy and scientists from the Broad Institute will present ASGCT data on TfR1 CapX, an AAV capsid designed for intravenous delivery to the brain and spinal cord. The presentation will cover clinical-scale manufacturing, preclinical models, academic access, and CNS payloads. The update signals continued pipeline investment and modality expansion in CNS delivery. Orca Bio received FDA Regenerative Medicine Advanced Therapy designation for Orca-Q, its investigational allogeneic T-cell immunotherapy for high-risk hematologic malignancies. The designation was based on preliminary Phase 1 data, with additional clinical findings expected in 2026. Orca-Q may influence prescriber choice and payer reviews, pending full data. Stay ahead in gene and cell therapy research. Like, share, and subscribe for our updates. Visit www.lqventures.com or email us at info@lqventures.com for expert healthcare consulting. See you next time.